Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a easy slow shuffle blues guitar riff in E. That it's easy doesn't mean it's easy, but I'm gonna make it easy for you guys, and this is how it sounds. And so on. What is the problem with this riff? It's cool, but it's really slow. It's 60 BPM, and that's the main thing when you're playing a blues so slow. You have a lot of time for errors, so we're gonna figure out how we avoid this type of errors. But of course, when you play a blues so slow, that's the way blues has the real emotional power. So the thing is to get familiar with the very slow tempos and secure that you know that you get automatically into the vibe. And as I said, with 60 BPM, you better know what you're doing, and that's I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, guys, I played the thing with finger picking, but you can play with the pick. It doesn't really make such a difference. It's upon to you how you want to do it. Both the main features work with both picking techniques. So since we are, as I already said, the main problem which we have here is not the riff, it's the tempo. It's very slow. So this is the tempo. Let's check it out. So this is the tempo. Okay, so now when it's so slow, you really have to know what you're doing and need to learn the main rhythm figures on this tempo. So one is of course quarter notes. Tack. So 1, 2, 3. So play. You have a metronome on 60 or a backing track, and you just play. In this case, an E5 just on the quarter note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and so on. That will be the first thing to do. Okay, so this is like the basement of the riff. If you cannot do that, then you're really gonna have problems. The second rhythm figure which we have here are shuffled eights. So that will be 1 and 2 and 3. 1. So same thing again. If you don't know how you play shuffled 8 notes, it's quite simple. So let's first do the triplets, because when you can do triplets, you can make the shuffled 8s really precise. Triplets is 3 per beat. So this is the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that will be the next thing. And the last thing, as I said, shuffled eights, and there you play the first and the last of the triplets. So you play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that will be the shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So these are the three main figures which are used. Now let's check out the riff. It starts on count 4 with the triplets. 1, 2, 3, Doug. Here. Is there an octaver here on my sound? No, I felt like I have an octaver on my sound. Yeah. So we have here 2, 4, and then we go to the riff. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have this figure. Now we have a little shuffle figure, and now to play it precise, you play on the first A note. You just play E5, and on so 1, and on one end you play the open E string 1, and then you go here on the fourth, 1 and 2 and 3. So, and then comes this again, 1 and 2 and 3. It's really simple, as I already said, but the tempo is what makes it difficult, and you have to be a little bit laid back with your timing to make it, really bluesy and heavy. So let's do that. Let's play it 4 times. Good, and the 4th bar, instead of doing this, we're playing an 8-note figure with G7, G sharp 7, so we have 4, and then we go to A. And this chord is quite simple to grab: 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then 4 and 1, 2 and 3, and then we make the same rhythm figure again. 1, so 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, and here we make 1, 2, and on the end we play just a bass note: 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, and then again comes then the other figure. I mean, as I said, it's quite simple to play, but the tempo is really the problem. And the best thing is feel the beat with your whole body. Take your body in account with the beat, that you really feel it, that you're getting relaxed in these slow tempos. Good. After being on A7, and then we go back to the riff on E7 twice, and now we are approaching to B7. So we do this figure as we did before, from G to A. Now we do it from A to B. It's basically pretty much the same. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2. The rest is all the same. And now the turnaround at the end goes like this: E5, 1, and then on the 4th 1 and 2, and then we start with A7, 3 and 4, and now we play 2 triplets: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then we are at the end. I'm gonna play the whole thing now through, that you can see it and hear it. guys, that was the easy slow blues, slow shuffle blues guitar riff in E. It's easy, but it's not easy. As the tempo is the main thing. 70 BPM is really slow. And you know, when you do blues soloing on such slow tempos, you don't have to be so much on the timing, but if you want to do the riff, then you have to be, you know, as precise as possible to make this really slowing and laid back and groovy. Then you really need to know what you're doing. And we have, as already said, there were 3 main rhythm figures, and they have to be really on the spot and played here on the fretboard. And then you're pretty good to go. And if you're an advanced player and you've never done this before, better learn the stuff now, because you will run in a situation where you probably, you know, playing slow is the hardest thing. Is playing fast is not such a problem, but playing slow is in fact a problem, is mostly a problem. Good. What more to say? If you want to download this backing track plus the tabs of the riff I just showed for practice, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Community. Please join there to become a member of our small little guitar community and support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community, either with a subscription or by just sharing the information that we two exist. See you guys.